Okay, so hello everyone, welcome for the dictionary part 2 in Python. Okay, I have already covered all the introduction and basic things in my part 1. So in part 2 directly we will start with the different functions and meaning of that we used in dictionary. Okay, so first one is very simple, that is only the dictionary function actually. If I write d is equal to dict and function. Okay, so in short it will create a dictionary. If you want we can check also if I write print d, and also if you want you can check the type of that variable d also. Okay, so it is showing what class dictionary. And right now we have created empty dictionary like using this round bracket empty, but if you want you can add the elements also. So for example, like suppose if I write d is equal to dict, and we know the function bracket, but inside this we can have a dictionary things. So between the curly bracket, suppose if I write 1 colon, and if I write abc something like this, and then comma 2 and colon, and if I write pqr, I'm writing something, and then comma 3 and colon x y and z. Okay, single quotation x y z. Okay, and then I will press enter from here, and then I will write print and I will write d. So you can see like it is giving me the output in the form of dictionary. Okay, then we can also have a list of tuples in one dictionary. So if I write d is equal to, and we know dict function. Okay, now inside the dict function, as I said, it is a list of tuples. So list always like a square bracket, so that is the second thing. And list of tuples, so tuples always like a round bracket. Okay, and then I will write for example 1 colon and abc. Okay, something like this. And if I want to add one more thing, so after this one tuple comma one more tuple, and I can write 2 colon then I can write xyz for example. Okay, and then now I will press what, enter. Okay, sorry, it is like a comma will come. Okay, so I will just correct the code quickly. Instead of colon, here comma will come, because tuples always have a 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 something like this. So here also it will be like comma only. Now I will press enter. So now you can see print and then d. Okay, so it is giving me in the form of first of all dictionary, that is the one thing, and 1 colon abc and 2 colon xyz. Next thing is just to check the length of the function, like what is the length of dictionary. So you can use the length len command. So we can quickly write print and bracket le, and we are interested in knowing about the length of d. Okay, so you can see it is showing 2 because this is one full and this is the second one. So this is how you can use the length function. Then we have a get function method. I'm writing the name also over here. That is the get function method in the comment section. Just 1 minute. So here get function will have two cases. So case number 1, if the key is available, then it will return corresponding value. Otherwise, it will return no. It won't raise any error. And if the key is available or not available, both the situation. But based on that, what is the situation? Either it will return the value or it will return the default value that we give. Okay, first we will actually check the, what you can say, a normal thing, first part only actually. That is, I will simply copy paste this d equal to, and curly bracket I will write 1 colon, I will write abc. Okay, then after that comma and 2 colon I will write xyz, comma 3 colon I will write pqr for example. Okay, so dictionary is created. Now suppose print, okay, round bracket d, and it is a get function, so d dot get, and I will write 1. Okay, so I'm getting the output of key value 1. Key is 1, value I'm getting is what, abc. And suppose if you try to print d dot get and 100, which is not there actually right now. Okay, so it is showing me none, not any error or something like that. But suppose like same thing if I write, okay, but with some message or private message like print or d dot get 100 only. Okay, d dot get 100. If found, obviously it will print the value. Otherwise, uh, in single quotation I will write no key found, some message. Okay, and now I will press. So you can see it is not showing me none, it is showing me no key found. The next one is the pop function method. So it will remove the entry associated with the specified key and it will return the corresponding value. But if that specified key is not available, then obviously we will get the error. Okay, so pop is just like to remove something, like for example d dot pop, and I can write 1. And one more thing, this is my dictionary actually, okay, in which key is 1, and I am writing d dot pop 1. So it will show you that which value has been popped out automatically. And then if I write print and if I write d, so you all can see it is showing me only 2 xyz and 3 pqr. Okay, and suppose if I try if I write d dot pop and if I write 25, number is not, that key is not there actually. Okay, so we will get the error, that is the key error because it is not there. Okay, the next thing is nothing but we can have a pop item. So it removes an arbitrary item, you can say key value both, from the dictionary and return also. So we will use the same thing only, like d is equal to 1 abc, and the same dictionary we will use actually right now. And then we will write d dot pop and we will write item, okay, and function like this. Okay, enter. So obviously it has removed the default, that is the last one, key also and value also. So if I write print and if I write d, it is showing me now only first and second. And if the dictionary is empty and if you try to use pop items, then you will find error message, key error message actually, so that you will get. Now coming to the very important part, because now we have a meaning of keys function, meaning of values function, and meaning of items function. First we will start with the key function. So we can have a dictionary something like this. First of all, now I will write for loop. Now I'm not going to use variable I because we are interested in printing only keys. As you can see, keys are 1, 2 and 3 only. Okay, and we are interested in printing keys. I will use letter K. Okay, reference purpose in, because we write for I in, same way I am writing for K in. Our dictionary variable is D and dot, and as I said, I am going to use which kind of function? Keys function. So for K in D dot keys, print and K. Okay, sorry, it is actually keys, not only key. Okay, see here, it is actually keys. So here actually you have to write S. So I will copy paste this line one more time and I will write keys like this. Okay, and then print and I will write key. See, it is showing us that only key, not the value. So using keys function, it will print only keys. Now same thing if it is values. Okay, so again I will require for loop. Now as I said, for keys I have used K, for value I will use V, and obviously the function will be D dot and it will be values. Okay, and then I will write print and I will write V. It is showing me ABC, XYZ, see here, ABC value, XYZ value and PQR value. So that is the, so first one is the keys function, second is the values function, and now the third one, which is nothing but items function. So obviously item will print both the things using for loop only. So we will use the same d equal to same thing only. And now in the for loop, as I want to print k also and v, the k means keys also and v, that is values also. So I will use two variable k comma v first of all. In d dot, because our dictionary name is d, and now the name of the function is items and colon. Okay, and then I will write print k comma, and suppose you want some space in double quotation or any dash line or something like this, just you want to print in case, then you can write like this. Otherwise you can write k comma v also directly. Okay, and just press enter. See, key is also printing, then 2 times dash I have given actually, and then it is printing values. Otherwise it will be 1 space abc, then 2 space xyz, and 3 space it will be pqr. So this is how you can use this, what you can say, items function. So mainly you have to remember three things. If it is keys function, it will print only key. If it is values, it will print only value. And if it is items, it will print both key as well as value. Now the next one is the last one actually, copy function. So I'm writing here hashtag copy. Suppose again we will take same dictionary only, d is equal to. Okay, and now I will write, for example, d2 is equal to d dot copy. Okay, d2 is one more dictionary is equal to d dot what, copy function, and I will write print, and I will write actually both actually, d also, print d also. Okay, original one, first one, and print I will write d2 also. So you all can see it is like same thing only in D, whatever is there, it will get copied into D2. So thank you everyone.